1 week ago, I found out I was pregnant, and I have been trying to figure out how to surprise my daughter and then my mom. My daughter doesn't know. She is almost 8, and for the last 5 years, I would say, she has been dreaming of having a sibling. She'll say things like, oh, my dream hasn't came true yet. I want my baby, things like that. She'll draw pictures with like a baby, like a family of 4 and her younger sibling or siblings. Sometimes she says she's having 3. Anyway, she is going to be so excited. I wanted to do something really special. I'm only probably like 3 weeks pregnant. Like, it's really early on, but listen, I'm still celebrating and I want her to know really soon. And it's easier when you can order things and find them online and not have to worry about getting them really quickly. That really wasn't an option since we want to tell my daughter and my mom and the family really quickly. So the first thing we did was I stopped at Target to look for a big sister shirt. Target and TJ Maxx just hasn't been lots of access to find little tiny baby onesies. I went to Target first at like 10 p.m, searched high and low in the store, didn't find anything that said big sister. I didn't find any tiny onesies. I did, but they were just like the plain white ones. The other thing is, like, obviously we don't know the gender. So like in stores, everything is like boy or girl. I didn't want to get her like a pink onesie because you just think I'm having a baby sister. I didn't want to get her like a little onesie that had dinosaurs all over it because it would be like, oh, I'm having a baby brother. Like, well, we don't know any of that. Didn't really find anything. I found this one little Mickey Mouse thing. I'll show you. So this is the only thing Target had that was newborn, gender neutral ish, but some people would maybe say this looks more like a boy. I don't know, but look how cute and tiny he is. We love Disney, but I thought it would be sort of random to pull this out. Then to TJ Maxx. I have something that has some cute little onesie, something that says big sister. Went there, nothing. What am I gonna do? Order big sister shirts on Amazon, but everything is like not 2-day shipping, or things only came in sizes up to 5T, and she's almost 8. So that was also a problem. Then Alex and I, like 8:30 at night, TJ Maxx was open for 1 more hour. Thank goodness. And I'll show you what we found that was gender neutral-esque and really the only thing available. Like, let's get it for now. Like a little velour suit, teeny tiny. Then we finally decided on this one. Lily loves when there's like a big one and a little one. Like, she'll say, that's me, that's you. So I thought this would be really cute for her. It has the tube on here. It could be like, that's you, big sister, and that's the little one. So we thought she would really like this. And then let me tell you the coolest thing about TJ Maxx trip. Talk about stars aligning and just good karma, good juju. Couldn't find a big sister shirt anywhere. It did not exist in the store. We looked through every single kid. We went to the front. We asked the girl at the register, have you seen anything in the store that says big sister? And she was like, no, I haven't. We said, well, we were surprising our daughter. She was like, oh, well, you know, what size of shirt would you need if I come across one? And we told her, long story short, we said, oh, you're so nice. Like, here's my Instagram. I was like, you know the secret before anybody else. She messages Alex and I. She was like, I got you guys a big sister t-shirt. Swing by my work tomorrow and I'm going to give it to you. And get this, she had it made. Friend of hers, she reached out and said, can you make them a big sister t-shirt? Alex went and got it yesterday. It is it is so sweet and so kind. And here's how it got weird. The other thing too is that the 2 shirts that I had ordered on Amazon that I finally found like at 1 a.m. searching got canceled. They were supposed to arrive yesterday and they got canceled. It was like, oh my goodness. So it literally is the only big sister shirt that we have. Big sister. And this is from the sweet girl that we met at the register working at TJ Maxx. Asked her friend to make this shirt for Lily. We wouldn't have a shirt otherwise. I mean, who would have thought? It is so sweet. I love it. The little ruffles. This is what Lily will wear to surprise my mom, and we're planning on doing it later today. So I have kind of everything here to put things in a bag, and I'll show you what I'm putting together in the next video.